everybody, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art. Gonna do another video for you today. Okay, we start out as usual. Here's my painting from my last video. It dried really pretty. That copper really sets it off. So if you're interested in anything, all my contact information is in the description box below. So today I'm going to do one that I saw Cause Creations do. It's 2 tree ring pours, and then she just elongated them out. Turned out really neat looking, so I hope that I can do it. I already did my base coat because I wanted to have kind of a swirly look, and I didn't know for sure how it would turn out. So I went ahead and put that down. It is coffee latte and a dark chocolate mix. So it looks pretty good. I'm gonna give it a torch. Got air bubbles in it before I start mixing the other colors that I want for my tree rings. Make sure there's no goobers or anything in here. I'm doing this on a Sunday afternoon. My husband is mowing, so if you hear anything, that's what it'll be. Let's see. I thought I saw something here. Make sure nothing is in there. Make sure we have a nice dry, smooth pour. Okay, just going to use the little cups like this because we don't want very big. This is a mixture of a bronze and black. And I need 2 cups. So I'm going to mix 2 cups. Try not to get any on the... this is metallic white. I'm going to put a little bit of that in. And I love this luminous pear, so I'm going to use a little bit of that just for some contrast of the dark things that are going in. And then I have here a bronze and an old gold mix. That is really pretty. I want to do one more round, and then that will be enough, probably way plenty. And I might not use all of it. Hope everybody's not getting cabin fever yet. Haven't stayed close to home. Okay, there we go. Now, whew, there's something else in my paint. My gosh. Okay. Let's see how it works. Start in the middle, right here. There we go. Now let's see if we can... Mine probably won't turn out at all. That's usually my luck. Luck of the draw. Luck of the Irish, so they say. And I think I might be a little bit Irish, I don't know. One down. Stretch it out as far as I can. back this way. Now she did some embellishment around the edge of hers. And I might do that, but I'll do it off camera because I get real nervous and shaky, so I have to take my own sweet time about it, and that would be a forever video. So I will, if I do that, I'll do it off camera, and then I'll show it to you when I dry, when it gets all dry. Okay, there's one. Now we do the other cup. Let's see, about here. Don't want them touching of any kind. Okay, now let's see if we can get this one to, without the other one stretching out too far more. Back. There we go. Maybe a little bit side to side. Open them up a little bit. I know you can't see that this way, but it won't be long. There. That looks pretty darn good. Looks almost exactly like hers. A little bit different colors, but it did pretty good that way. I think I have all my edges. Like I said, if I do the embellishing, I'll do it after I turn off. And that way it won't paint is so runny coming off the edges here. Oh, looks pretty darn good. Wipe my hands off. Give it a last torch. I hope you all subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please tell your friends and family about me. Leave a comment if you so desire. If you're interested in any of my paintings, how to get a hold of me is always in the description box. Private messenger, my email address, my Facebook page. I do commission work if there's anything you want. If there's anything in particular you want, I'll give you a close-up. And there you have it. Thanks for watching me today. Stay safe, please, until all this virus is over with, and even after. And as always, please have a great day.